It's a 2013 Buick LaCrosse. We want to elevate your driving experience to embrace all of your senses. This luxury sedan will become a quiet sanctuary with leather-wrapped steering wheel and a remote keyless entry. Listen to music the way you want with the CD player, MP3 input, or using the newly standard IntelliLink system, which uses Bluetooth or USB to stream music from your smartphone. And we always have your safety in mind with the multiple sets of airbags, brake assist, and stability and traction control.
The IntelliLink system allows you to control your music, hands-free calling, and so much more with just the sound of your voice. Your favorite music has never sounded better thanks to the premium sound system.
Discover what you're missing with the expertly crafted 2013 LaCrosse. Take it for a test drive today.
Visit us anytime at craneteam.com.